Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this very tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to use two colors of wool to make dragonfly. To begin, wrap around the first color of wool on your pointer finger for 15 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew around the wool already on your pointer finger. When you're done with one piece, make them 4 pieces and use the second color of wool to sew together the 4 pieces. These 4 little pieces of woolen design will form the wings of the dragonfly. Wrap the second color of wool right at the center of the woolen design for 25 times to form the thorax. Sew at the back to secure. Attach 8 little pieces of pearls to form the abdomen. At the other side of the woolen design, attach 2 different sizes of pearl, the medium one and the small one. The medium one will form the head, while the small one will form the eyes of the dragonfly. Again, sew to secure. Move to the side where the head and the eyes are and then put the antenna. Follow along as I'm doing that. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you. I believe all of you will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next video. Bye.